This tempeh and cashew stir-fry is a high-protein wok dinner on the table in 30 minutes. You need tempeh, red pepper, zucchini, carrot, spring onions, garlic, ginger, and roasted cashews. Cut the tempeh into bite-sized cubes and marinate them in soy sauce, sesame oil, and teriyaki. Chop the pepper, zucchini, and carrot into pieces of about the same size. Fry the tempeh in hot oil until it is golden and crisp all over, then lift it out. In the same wok, briefly fry the garlic, ginger, and spring onion. Add the carrot, pepper, and zucchini and stir-fry until crisp tender. Return the tempeh, pour in the sauce, and let it bubble until it turns glossy. Fold in the roasted cashews for that essential crunch. Finish with sesame and fresh spring onions and serve it over rice. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one.